We're taking a walk over to the El Cortez for session 3, and the bankroll is 80 bucks. So let's see if we can try to get a 10% win, maybe a little bit more to get up to 90. El Cortez. And I'll see you guys in the casino. Alright, so we got 80 in. I guess we're gonna go spin a lot of fours, heavily on tens. Just wanna go three. That was a point. Take that down. Good thing I laid that floor. I need that hard 10 too. That would have been the whole thing right there. Let's see if we can get it back. So that brought us up to 89. No, actually, I'll take this down. We're at 94. So we're gonna cash that ticket out. That's more than 10%. Started with 80, leave with 94. Like I said, the Hardways help out a lot. And playing the just buying the 4 and buying the 10, it only takes one hit. Let's look at the history. A bunch of 4s, a ton of 4s and 10s. Those cluster of 7s would have hurt right there. Would have hit there, there. Cluster 7s again. So this ends session 3, and I'll see you guys on the next video.